on localizing the SDG goals. As you know, the Sustainable Development Goals have been given to all the states, and the Niti Aayog has been following this up with all the states in the country. So we felt strongly that all these goals that have been made state-wise can be also then localized and given district-wise. So an app has been created by the planning department, and all the deputy commissioners were here today. All the different senior officials from the different departments were here, and the objective was to involve everybody, make sure that the data is available, and also push the respective deputy commissioners to also take more interest in these goals so that we can improve our ranking. We have decided also to rank the districts now, and we have also decided to give a untied fund of 50 lakhs per district to so that they can use that fund to implement programs and schemes which will ultimately lead to improvement of the rankings. So we're trying to create a positive competitiveness between the different districts also. So these matters were discussed today. I'm sure that with the involvement of the deputy commissioners and all the different departments, we will be able to improve the ranking of Meghalaya, which is very low as of now, but I'm confident that in the coming years, we will be able to bring up the overall SDG ranking.